Motorcycles in Japan just announced with release date the all-new Honda Gb350, Honda Gb350S. That this model most people are waiting so long, and want to buy. This video you will enjoy with the good news from Honda Motorcycles in Japan. And Honda Gb350, Gb350S model will be release dates soon on July 6, 2023. Especially more upgrade with the latest engine and new colors concept. The all-new Honda Gb350 and Honda Gb350S 2023 model is not the even beautiful body but for the sound also interested. Let me introducing the all colors available for the Honda Gb350S 2023 model will reveal with two colors. New Honda Gb350S Pearl Deep Mud Gray color, and Honda Gb350S Gunmetal Black Metallic color. And for the new colors is Pucco Blue color Gb350S 2023, so which color do you like? Please comment below. New Honda Gb350 2023 model have three colors that available, new Honda Gb350 Matte Pearl Glare White color. New Honda Gb350 Matte Jeans Blue Metallic color, and the last one is new Honda Gb350 Matte Pearl Morion Black color. So which color do you like for the Honda Gb350 2023 model? Please let me know by comments below also. Honda Gb350 and Honda Gb350S 2023 model is kind of world classic motorcycle. So let me show details with the engine or main specifications to every know. New Honda Gb350 and Gb350S 2023 model powerful 348 cubic centimeters engine type air-cooled 4-stroke single-cylinder, DOHC2 valve. Fuel tank capacity is 15 liters, fuel consumption is 34.9 km and per liters for including pickup 1 passenger. Seat height is 800 mm. But for the vehicle weight Gb350 is 179 kg and Gb350S is 178 kg. And the price for new Honda Gb350 price is around 561,000 yen in Japan or around $4,100 in US for per unit. And for the all-new Honda Gb350S 2023 model will available with price is around 605,000 yen in Japan or around $4,300 in US for per unit. After watch details with new Honda Gb350 and Gb350S 2023 classic motorcycle. How do you feel with price, specific, engine, exhaust sounds, and all colors variation available 2023 model? Please comment below my video. I think you will satisfy, so don't forget to like and share my video to your friend to make them know also with this model for new latest updates, the release date, engine and new colors available. If you have anything please let me know by comment below or check in Honda Motorcycles web in Japan for clearly. Thanks for watching.